Email marketing versus affiliate marketing. That's what you want to know. That's why you're coming here to this video. Let's get into it. Thank you for joining, guys. Welcome to another video. My name is David Pinner. They also call me Tips with Dave, and I'm super excited to share with you in this video about these two exact strategies. Now, I do my research and I actually apply the skill sets of both email marketing and affiliate marketing into my day-to-day as a marketer myself. So I talk about affiliate marketing on this channel. So in case you haven't yet subscribed, hit that subscribe button and the bell notification. And on Fridays, we talk about strategies. So I want to be very clear with these two strategies and try to share with you which one is better so that you can make a decision for yourself. Let's say in the future, what do I want to focus on? I'm going to rewind a little bit and share with you exactly what is email marketing, what is an affiliate marketing. So email marketing specifically is a skill set that we're using email as a process, as a way to communicate with our ideal customer, with our ideal client. Email marketing exists, guys, in the space for decades. Every single time that you join or apply for a membership, you're actually going onto an email list that you are receiving either newsletters, campaigns, and you can monetize this list in many different ways, which is why you have companies like Netflix, like Amazon send you emails. Or the most common example is in e-commerce itself is a company like Temu, for example, does an amazing job with their email marketing, sometimes a little bit exaggerated, but they use the email marketing to promote better deals, to get the information out there, to keep people on their platform. And they have a lot of automation on the emails so that it doesn't burden the customers and the clients and stuff like that. Okay, so email marketing is a very strong marketing concept within the whole. Okay, and you can use it as in your e-commerce, as I mentioned, in pretty much any business out there under the sun today. It's actually super important for you to have email marketing as one element of your list. Okay, so for example, if you work even for a company that doesn't have an email list, the first thing that I would say is build your email list. However you want to do it, but find a way to get them onto an email list so that you start to have more control of your day to day. The more that you have an email list for yourself, the more control over the eyeballs, over traffic that you have to direct to a certain page. This is what e-commerce stores are doing usually. They're creating the list so that they can direct a new product comes out, let me send customers to it. Those are customers that they own because of past efforts that they've done. Okay, so that is email marketing. It's a skill set, and there are a couple of things that are really important when it comes to email marketing. One of the first few things is that you learn how to be a copywriter. You learn marketing messaging. You learn how to create hooks. You learn how to create a call to action that converts, how to create subject. All of these things, which now you can leverage with AI as well. But you are dipping your toes into this whole, how do I put this, writing skill set, which is using the means of email, but the writing skill set can be applicable to even emails. Sorry, the writing skill set can be applicable even to blogs, can be applicable even to sales pages and multiple aspects of your marketing journey. In fact, if you learn this skill set, a lot of people are also teaching this skill set to individuals who are now selling these services to different companies so that email marketing becomes the crux of it. Okay, that's how they're sending a value series to people, and because of that value, and they're paying for that value series. So let's say it's a high ticket offer, it's a brick and mortar business that has this service that they're offering, renovation service, an accounting firm, could be a lot of things, guys. You can use these sales email series basically to monetize your skill set. The skill is valuable in the space. As an affiliate marketer, it's the core. If you do not learn email, you're going to suffer long term. My recommendation to you is that if you decide to be in this space for a long time, learn the skill set of email marketing. Learn how to start writing, because copy is going to save yourself a lot of pain. Okay, and it's going to take time, but you will learn about yourself, you'll learn about your voice, you will learn about your messaging, you'll learn about your client, you'll learn how to solve these problems in a written format. You'll be able to teach AI so that you don't have to stress over it. Put in the work. The one thing that you'll find out on this channel, guys, is that I'm an affiliate marketer who's going to tell you things as they are, and nothing happens overnight. You need to put in the work and the effort in order for you to see that conversion. Okay, so a lot of, in my strategy, by the way, in my strategy, as you can see on the screen right here, email marketing is a fundamental aspect of my strategy. In step number one, I send out an email every single day. I write an email every single day. This I've been doing for the last 3 years, guys. Same thing comes over here. I have email campaigns that I improve over time because I am a human being and I'm going to make mistakes, but I'm learning that skill set and improving that skill set. So put in the work and the effort when it comes to email marketing because it's a core element of the whole. And then you have an affiliate marketing, right? Affiliate marketing and email marketing, and I'm going to break this down to you for you guys to give you a holistic vision of it. Both email marketing and affiliate marketing, guys, are skills that you're learning, and the larger skill is digital marketing. So look at digital marketing as an umbrella, and within that umbrella, or within the entire process, you have affiliate marketing as a monetization method. You're using digital marketing skill sets to build your affiliate monetization strategy, and email helps to build that monetization strategy as well. So email marketing helps to build your affiliate commissions. Hope this makes sense. Okay, so both go hand in hand together. There's no versus. I put it in this format so that you guys understand the differences. Affiliate marketing includes a skill set of email marketing. Digital marketing includes affiliates. Digital marketing can include affiliates, which is a monetization method, but you as an affiliate marketer just focus on that monetization method, and you're using email marketing to drive this conversion of affiliate commissions, this monetization method. I hope that makes sense. So it all connects under a whole core group of digital marketing as a whole. And yeah, that is the fundamental difference between it. An affiliate is somebody who, like myself, is going to solve the problem through another person's product or service. Okay, I'm using marketing skills. I'm using digital marketing skills like email copywriting and email marketing and video creation to drive traffic and so on and so forth to bridge and monetize by offering an affiliate product as offering another person's product as a solution. And in doing so, I become an affiliate. So that's the purpose behind it. And if you think about it this way, you understand that you are the bridge between what a person is searching for and the answer. And if you understand that you're providing a solution, then when you talk to that person, you're actually having a conversation. You're not trying to sell them and force a solution onto them. You're seeing whether you have a solution for them, and as an affiliate, you can then direct them to whichever product or service. If you speak to the pain points of your audience, which is what affiliate marketing can be, then you are now addressing the topics that attract them to you, and then you provide a solution. That's simply it. How you do this is through video, is through email, is through different options. Okay. Now, I personally am learning all of this through a couple of done for you systems that teach affiliate marketing and these strategies as well as give you tools. So what I'm going to do and share with you is my strategy, and I'm going to tell you also what done for you systems I'm using to learn the extra skill sets that are there. And it's up to you guys if you want to or don't want to. Like I said, I share with you these strategies, share with you these concepts. It's up to you then to make that decision whether you want to get started or not. So my strategy is simple. I follow a funded proposal strategy where I use, as I mentioned, email to I generate leads. I get leads, 100 to 200 leads, because I pay for it. I pay a low income startup cost, basically, which is around $30 every single month. And I get those leads. I email those leads with the concepts that I spoke about in this video to an offer. And those offers are on Warrior Plus, on ClickBank, and individual offers, standalone offers as well. And they generate me a sale. Okay, send them. I use that autoresponder basically to email market every single day, and I make a sale. As I make a sale, I then use those funds to buy more advertising, to buy more eyeballs to my entire funnel or done for you systems that I have. If not, ask me and I'll get back to you. It's a very, very simple process. I don't complicate it. I keep it really simple. This way, I don't go out of my pocket to ever pay for advertising, because this step one takes care of that budget for myself, and I stick with the budget. And as I make more commissions here, a portion goes back to the budget so that this flow keeps moving. Okay? That's how I work with this entire strategy. I go into more detail with this strategy, the tools, the offers, the prompts that I'm using for AI in a course called Affiliate Marketing Essentials. I'll just show you guys very quickly. Here we go. Marketing Essentials. I don't know whether it'll show everything. So this is the course, and the entire strategy is here in this first module. And then you can see right here, it has AI prompt. and it will show with you resources, Facebook group, if you need support from me, if you want, system IO annual plan, everything is here. All the offers, everything in detail is covered in this course, guys. I'll leave a link to it in the description. It costs $1 to get the strategy. And if you want the AI prompt, you'll see that there is within the next step. Once you go to the sales page, you'll be able to add the AI prompt, okay, in case you want that. I will be adding also GPTs in this next year, 2026. So it's super important in case you want to get it now. You'll actually get a discount because right now it's about $9. In the future, I will increase the price and it will be definitely more. Okay, so that's something that I recommend. If you want to get started right now, you can. But this strategy goes into detail. Okay, that's the first thing I want to let you. And obviously, it covers two specific essential skills: affiliate marketing and email marketing. These are the two things that are needed, which is basically advertising and copywriting. Then there are a couple of other done for you systems. So I use the OLSP system as well. Link is going to be in the description. I personally am on a team builder level, and I will be working with everybody who does also get on the team builder level to make at least $1,000 every single month. That's the purpose and process that I personally have. So I hope that you guys decide to. But it is a really, really good element. This is a place where I learn about advertising. I use a tool which they provide as a team builder, which helps me with my email marketing, and they have regular trainings literally 3 times a week, so you will never be left behind. Even if I'm not there for you, the support in the community is there, tools are there, the training is there, all of this is training, and the resources are there. So you have literally everything under the sun for you. If you do get started as a lifetime team builder, you will even have an absolute amazing funnel builder tool that you can apply AI, that you can look. I'll just show you guys. Okay, if you do decide to get the team builder, you'll get the mega builder as well. And this is not me selling. I really want to show you guys what I've been doing with this, and I've been using it a lot, so this is why I want to share with you. But you can create AI agents if you want for yourself. You can do the marketing, you can do social planner. You can see that I have all my pins are scheduled through this tool. Okay, so I'm driving traffic to my blog. I have even on TikTok videos that are scheduled through this tool. I am literally using it for everything. Okay, so it's not just a funnel builder, but it's helping me with my advertising and helping me follow these strategies. So if you don't want extra costs or everything like that and just want a one-time payment, then I would recommend going for Team Builder Lifetime. In fact, I'm going to leave that and it's a discounted link. I'm going to leave that in the description of the video. And then the last option that I have available, which you can create a free account as well, but we're at that time of the year where I would recommend to think about also maybe getting a paid account, is Map right here. And as you can see, there's an AI affiliate expert that you get access to as well when you join Map, that you can speak to it. It'll help you with your strategies. It's a companion. It's going to help you with the decision making and everything else. And it's free to join. Okay, honestly, it's free to join. And as you can see right here, it has all the training that's needed. So if you need to speak to Mappy, which is their AI assistant, you can speak to them here. You can get access to the list building, email marketing, traffic, all of this is there. And as a free member, you can get access to all of this. However, I'm just going to give an example. Let's say you want to learn about list building. As a free member, you won't get access to all the information that I have. If you see right here, if you want additional training, you'll get access to this right here. But if you want additional silver level training or gold level training or platinum level training, you need to upgrade your account. So just very quickly, for transparency purposes, I want to share with you that you can upgrade your account right here in the section right here. So you get the free account, obviously, or you can go the silver, gold, or platinum level. I honestly suggest, if you can and you have the money for it, go for the annual plan and go for the platinum. Why? Because if you're getting started with any kind of marketing, give yourself a year. Less than a year is not enough, in my opinion. Give yourself at least a year, and then you can unsubscribe. That's absolutely fine, but give yourself at least a year. The platinum membership gives you access to everything under the sun, plus the highest level of earnings also. That is something to pay attention to. So if you get just one other person or two other people to join your platinum yearly, you've made your money back, literally. So 1.5%, well, two people. That is something just to pay attention to. But you get access to literally everything. So Map is something that I recommend also on the back end. Both links are going to be in the description of this video if you're interested. It's also my resource. Map has helped me build this entire section of blogging right here, has helped me actually build my blog and have a right strategy to build my entire blog. Okay, so this entire blog that I have set up right here, okay, this entire website, The entire process, the way I've done it, how I've structured it is because of this training of map. The resources on the back end help me with my email marketing and affiliate marketing skills. Okay, those 3 links are going to be in the description. So I'm just going to summarize it for you. Affiliate Marketing Essentials, which is my course. The OLSP system, which is where I learn about Facebook marketing, other marketing techniques, and map as well, is going to be in the description of the video. In case you're interested in anything else, feel free to ask me whatever questions you have related to these 2 topics. Hopefully it's clear. I am not following different strategies. I'm sticking with one. I have been for the last 3 years, and I will continue to do the same. So if you want my support, guidance, and just help in this way, feel free to get started in any of the options that I mentioned below. And I'm going to see you guys on the inside. Keep paving the way for your dreams to come true. I'm going to see you on Monday for another video.